Ever wondered why bees, butterflies, and birds matter so much to our ecosystem? These tireless workers, known as pollinators, play a crucial role in plant reproduction. As they flit from flower to flower, they transport pollen, enabling plants to produce seeds and fruits. This process is essential for maintaining biodiversity and ensuring food security. In simpler terms, they help our gardens bloom and our food grow. Without these industrious workers, our gardens and our plates would look very different. Now, have you ever considered the relationship between these pollinators and the plants in your backyard? The harmony that exists between native plants and their pollinators is nothing short of remarkable. Take, for instance, milkweeds. These plants are a magnet for monarch butterflies, providing them with vital nutrients and a place to lay their eggs. Moving on, sunflowers, with their radiant yellow petals, are a beacon for bees, offering an abundant source of nectar. And then we have the trumpet vines. Their vibrant tubular flowers are irresistible to hummingbirds. Each of these plants and their pollinators share a unique bond, a bond that ensures their survival. Each plant has its own set of pollinators, creating a beautiful dance of nature right in your backyard. So how can you play a part in supporting these essential creatures? One fantastic way is by incorporating native plants into your garden. These plants come with a host of benefits. They're typically low maintenance, often drought-resistant, and crucially, they provide a haven for local wildlife. By attracting pollinators, you're helping to strengthen the biodiversity in your area. By choosing native plants for your garden, you're not only beautifying your space, but also doing your part to support our ecosystem. Ready to dive into the world of native plant gardening? Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful gardening tips and tricks. Remember, every plant you add to your garden is a step towards a healthier ecosystem. Happy gardening!